Hello everyone, how to find a word in Google Docs. So let's start the first open your Google document. And here to find the word, press the Control F and the right hand side you can see here the small box is open, find in document. So enter the word. So enter here the tech channel. And here you can see the 5 of 9 words is found in this document. You can see the selected word here, the found. You can see the all word is highlighted. And if you want to replace this word, so go to the right hand side and click on the more option. And here the one dialog box is open, find and replace. So find your tech channel 5 of 9 and replace with the another word. So I enter here replace with PND tech zone. Okay. After that, to replace all these words, click on the replace all, and here small dialog box is open, replace across all tabs. This will replace values across all tabs. Are you sure? Just click on the OK and that's it. Click on the close option and here you see the all tech channel word is replaced with PND text zone. So this is a way you can find a word in Google Docs. Hope you understood. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.